morning, everyone. My name is Venus Aguya, Diamond Master. As you know, in Canada, the weather is very unpredictable. During summer, it's extremely hot, and during winter, it's extremely cold. So as a result, my skin got damaged over the years. I used a lot of expensive products, but it didn't work. I used Derma, it didn't work too. So, one day my niece introduced Atomy to me. I remember it was January 1st of 2019. She told me, do facial for me so I can save money and buy Absolute skincare product. So as so I can save money instead of buying expensive products. Wow, I was amazed. When I tried Absolute Skincare, if there is one of love at first sight, it was love at first use for me. In one use, I saw my skin lighten, my wrinkles loosen. The smell is very relaxing. The tuberous smell. Imagine having this result in one use, right? So I continued using the product day and night. And I continued using the product morning and evening before going to bed religiously. I mean, I'm using it every day, every morning, every night. Until no one can guess my age. I gained my power back, my confidence, and I became happier. Instead of investing on makeups, I invested on Atomy skincare product. You sleep beautiful and you wake up more beautiful. I hope every one of you will try this skincare product and you have younger looking skin and glowing skin this summer. Thank you, everyone. My name is Venus Aguya, Diamond Master.